Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to switch Stripe from test mode to live mode. First, open your browser and log into your Stripe dashboard. Make sure you are logged in. If your account is not activated yet, you will see prompts asking for more information. Stripe needs this to meet financial and legal rules. You will need to enter business details like your company name, address, and type of business. You will also need to provide personal details about the account owner. Carefully fill in all required fields and submit the information. Wait until Stripe confirms that your account is verified and ready for live payments. Next, we will switch the dashboard view from test mode to live mode. Look at the top right corner of the Stripe dashboard. You will see a toggle or drop-down that says View Test Data. Click on it. From the options, choose View Live Data. Once you do this, the dashboard will now show live information instead of test information. Now we need to update the API keys used in your website or app. In the dashboard menu, go to Developers, then click on API keys. You will see two types of keys for live mode. The live publishable key starts with PK Live. The live secret key starts with SK Live. Copy both of these keys carefully. Open your website or app code where Stripe is set up. Find the old test keys that start with PK Test and SK Test. Replace them with the live keys you just copied. Save your changes and deploy or upload the updated code. Thanks for watching.